Sit.
Well,
Stay.
this is starting to become a daily routine. The dogs go out, spend a few hours outside, get muddy, and then now they're trying to get Bronte dirty. Oh, man. Hey, why are you guys so dirty? What were you doing? This is part of the routine now. You freaking dogs. Come on, to the hose. Come here, Jess. Thankfully, they're good about getting cleaned off for the most part. Sit. All right, so back at the shop today. Just got my wing back from powder coat, so I went black on the actual wing. All of the arms and like the little brackets and stuff are in this bag. We went with a different color on those, just to try to mix it up a little bit to, you know, have a little bit of offset. Here's more of the little brackets and stuff. That's the wicker right here. We went with a gunmetal gray, which actually matches the wheels almost perfectly. Unfortunately, the powder coater that I used does a way better job than the powder coater that did the wheels. So this color is way nicer on these, but still it matches basically perfectly. I might bring him my new wheels and have him do his powder coat on them, because this powder coat looks so much better and so much more vibrant than what's on the wheels right now. My buddy Mike at Mike's Customs Coating hooked it up, got this stuff done pretty quick for me. He's in Brandon. So if you're in like the Brandon, Sarasota, Bradenton area, he's not far from you guys. He's does really awesome stuff. Powder coats everything. Huge oven, so he can powder coat like huge things. Like he had a full like boat tuna tower that they were powder coating. I was like, oh, all right. So if you guys need powder coat, he also does truck accessories, wheels, tires, grills, whatever. You can buy that stuff through him. But yeah, check him out. Mike's Custom Coatings in Brandon. Very killer stuff. So I'm gonna get this stuff installed right now. This is like taking pieces from the most complicated puzzle ever and then painting them so that you can't see the designs on them, because these used to have numbers, but once we painted it, numbers are gone. And all of these little guys need to be part of this whole wing area. These are on and they look pretty awesome. I really like this color. It somewhat looks pewter, but it's not, which is awesome. It matches the wheels along with a lot of the other stuff, matches in the wheels, which is cool. And then these guys, they go like that, something like that. And then all these brackets kind of go to it, and it's a whole thing. There's a lot of stuff involved in this. This is a pretty involved wing install. This piece connects the two there. It's insane. There's so much going on. But I'm gonna keep working at it and hopefully make something happen. Don't really have another choice. The wing is going on. Well, the most complicated puzzle ever is starting to really look like it's supposed to. You got dogs running around wild. Oh, went down in the dirt. Don't hit the trailer, come on. Oh my goodness. That's not gonna be a forgiving hit if they hit the trailer. It's gonna be a doing. Bronte's out here supervising. Yeah. You can almost hardly tell that it's different color on like the back of it.
You can't.
Yeah.
Like right from this angle, that looks gray and then that looks black.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's kind of part of what I kind of what I wanted.
Yeah.
It matches the wheels pretty well though. Still got to finish this side, put everything in, tighten all the hardware, but it is very close now. Very close to being on, which is awesome. It's easier than I actually expected. And like I said, it's a strutless wing, so it bolts all here, so you can just open the trunk without having to unbolt stuff down here like a lot of wings. Really awesome. Very glad I went with this one because I open my trunk a lot. Streetcar stuff. Well, the wing is on and it looks so freaking sick. I love the silver accents on the wing with the bolts and the nuts like that. The filler panel is not on yet. I'm still trying to figure out how it exactly goes to where it stays because it's a little weird. It's very odd how it like hugs the windshield and doesn't really mount anywhere besides right there. I don't know how to get it secure enough. Still trying to figure that out. And then there's a couple more things I need to tighten down on the wing, but that's like 90% done. Oh, and I didn't scratch it yet. I still have to tighten pretty much all of the hardware, but I didn't scratch it yet. Oh, it looks so cool though. Take a step back. Looks like a real race car now. You can hardly even tell that this is titanium back here. It's the color it's called, but it is. So we got some titanium back there. It just misses the parachute. So that's good. It's gonna be kind of annoying to pack, but just misses it. Maybe we'll lower it down at some point, but I don't think it should be a problem. Dogs are here hanging out. So pumped about this wing setup. Looks so cool. All right, guys, that'll do it for today's video. It was just a short one putting this wing on, but really excited to do it. Going to finish it tomorrow morning, but right now I'm gonna go edit this video, get it up as soon as possible. Me and Bronte got some date night, so we're gonna go eat some dinner, hang out with some friends. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Keep it saucy.